Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, explain arithmetic exception in Java. Let me answer. In Java, when you write a program and that program is not giving you any compiler error, but when you run the program, you are getting some error in the output, which is nothing but a runtime error, or you can also call that as an exception. There are several exceptions that you see in Java, where arithmetic exception is one of them, which occurs while performing arithmetic operations, which result in some errors. Okay. Arithmetic exception is a runtime error which occurs while performing some arithmetic operations in Java, which are resulting in some errors. For example, if you're trying to divide a number by 0 in Java programs, Java will give you an runtime error known as arithmetic exception because it's an arithmetic operation which is not supported, which results in generally in error. In mathematics also, you cannot divide a number by 0. In mathematics, they will say that when you try to divide a number by 0, it's infinite. But in Java, this operation is not supported. Okay, infinite thing is not supported in Java. Hence, this arithmetic operation where you are dividing a number by Java in Java program will result in a runtime error. The error that you see while running the program is nothing but arithmetic exception. Guys. Let me practically demonstrate this. So this is a major example that people give you for explaining the arithmetic exception in Java. Okay. Unfortunately, other examples doesn't exist much. Okay. So majorly, when you are working with Java programs, the arithmetic operation like dividing a number by 0 results in a runtime error, which is nothing but an arithmetic exception. This is the best example for supporting the arithmetic exception explanation in Java as part of an answer for this question. Okay. So everyone gives you the same answer, guys. Okay. So how do you get arithmetic exception in Java? There may be other ways of getting arithmetic exception in Java while performing arithmetic operations which are not supported by Java. But the major one that people give an example is dividing a number by 0 to get this arithmetic exception. Okay, let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse ID and create a new class. I'll just name this class as 9 with the main method. And here I'll create a variable or write a logic where one of the variable I'll store some number and another variable I'll try to store 0. Okay, and in another variable I try to assign the value of or the result of dividing a number a by b. Okay, I'm trying to divide the number a, that is a 10 number, by b, that is 0. If I try to divide 10 by 0, this line will result in an arithmetic exception because this is not possible in Java. In Java, it's not possible to divide a number by 0, guys. If you try to do so, you are going to get an arithmetic exception. Okay, a runtime error will come. If I try to print A, try to print B, and try to print C, okay, and run the code here, you see none of these statements will be printed because in the line 9 itself, we'll get an exception here, runtime error here. Line 9 only, we got a runtime error or exception known as arithmetic exception. This has been caused by the arithmetic operation where you're trying to divide a number by 0. That's why we got this runtime error or exception known as arithmetic exception. Okay, this is the best example for arithmetic exception. And what happens in Java when you get an exception? The remaining lines after the exception will not be executed, guys. Okay, will not be executed because of the exception. So arithmetic exception occurs while performing arithmetic operations like dividing a number by 0, which are not supported by Java. Okay. So this is a perfect example for arithmetic exception in Java, guys. Okay. So with practical demonstration, I actually answered and explained what exactly an arithmetic exception is in Java and how, and with an example, I covered that. Okay. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.